Peak Bank operates as an online digital division of Idaho First Bank, bringing localized banking foundations into a broader nationwide digital footprint. When financial analysts and consumer advocates at Bankrate evaluate this institution, they look closely at how its digital consumer products stack up against heavy competition in the modern financial marketplace. Their comprehensive reviews center primarily on the core features, digital tools, account accessibility, and specific limitations associated with Peak Bank product offerings. The editorial scoring system used by Bankrate gives high marks to the institution for its flagship Envision high-yield savings account. According to their evaluations, this specific savings product nails the financial fundamentals by offering one of the most competitive annual percentage yields on the market across a wide range of balances. Bankrate highlights that consumers can open this high-yield account with a modest minimum deposit of $100, making it accessible to everyday savers who want to maximize interest returns without locking up capital. Furthermore, Bankrate points out that the savings account features 0 monthly maintenance fees, ensuring that accumulated interest is not chipped away by hidden administrative costs. Beyond the core yield metrics, Bankrate assesses the practical day-to-day user experience of interacting with Peak Bank digitally. Their analysis notes that the bank provides a seamless mobile application equipped with mobile check deposit capabilities, scoring favorably for user-friendly navigation and clear interface design. Customer support options also receive positive mentions for offering multiple channels of communication, though Bankrate notes that overall customer service operating hours align fairly closely with standard industry averages rather than standing out as exceptional. However, Bankrate also outlines notable drawbacks and limitations that potential customers must weigh before transferring funds. One major limitation emphasized in their reviews is the narrow scope of the product catalog. Peak Bank focuses almost exclusively on its high-yield savings vehicle and certificates of deposit, meaning customers will not find checking accounts, everyday debit cards, ATM access, or specialized financial tools under the same digital roof. The absence of ATM access means that getting physical cash out quickly requires transferring funds out to an external checking account at another financial institution. When analyzing Peak Bank certificates of deposit, Bankrate gives them a more moderate score. While the CDs provide accessible minimum deposit requirements and solid fixed returns for specific terms, Bankrate points out that the choices are relatively rigid. Peak Bank typically limits its CD terms to a handful of options, lacking the extensive term variety or specialty structures like no penalty or bump-up options found at larger online competitors. Bankrate reviewers also note transparency quirks, such as early withdrawal penalty mentions that lack explicit rate breakdowns directly on the primary consumer interface. Ultimately, Bankrate frames Peak Bank as a strong, specialized choice for individuals looking to park extra cash into a high-yield vehicle without monthly fees, provided they already maintain a primary checking account elsewhere for everyday transactional needs.